As we assigned to discuss about consumer decision-making process, is through this video, we learn the importance of it in the marketing world. The importance of understanding the consumer behavior is to understand actual needs of the consumer as well as establish the firm's marketing goals and to understand more of the factors that influence the consumer's buying behavior. So, the 5 stages of consumer decision-making process are need recognition, information search, evaluation of alternatives, purchasing decision, and post-purchase behavior. So, the product that we have chosen is smartphone from Huawei brand, and the model for our smartphone is Huawei Mate 20 Pro.
So our target market for Huawei Mate 20 Pro will be the working millionaires aged 22 to 35 years old, from a working professional background like accountants, human resource, assistant of business executive, and as such. Based on our research, we found out that this age range is more technology-oriented compared to the older working adults these days, and the income on average is from 2,800 ringgit to 5,000 ringgit, which is categorized under middle class level. The common characteristics are having a busy lifestyle, prefer something quick, and often that the millennials are influenced by the social trends these days.
This is the first step of the 5 stages of consumer decision-making process. This often happens when a consumer has to recognize or become aware of a need or want to buy something. The 3 key points here is when the current product isn't performing properly, when the consumer is running out of a product, when another product seems superior to the one currently used. So, it is categorized under external stimulus and internal stimulus. The reason why consumers are triggered to buy a new smartphone is because of the common problems caused by the smartphone, such as lagging, insufficient memory, dissatisfying camera quality, gets easily overheat, unable to low charging, low battery life, and lack of advanced features that the new smartphone have these days. To deal with the problems, she needs to get a new one so that it can run the system smoothly. Having a slow phone is usually the result of having too many files saved on it. Install too many apps or too many apps running simultaneously, which can cause the smartphone or the apps to crash. As a result, it will lead to a high phone temperature, which can cause reduced performance and unexpected shutdown. Battery problems mentioned are vital here, as battery long life are very much needed for the phone to available on use for working adults.
The second step is information search. It consists of 2 methods, which are external information search and internal information search. External information search, which is conducted when the consumer has little prior knowledge of a particular product, which causes the consumer having to seek information from the external environment. It can be divided into 2 types of sources, which are marketing control sources, the sources not associated with promotion and advertisement, and for marketing controlled sources which originate from marketers promoting the product and are biased. For non-marketing control sources, Vivian could use her past experience of good impression of Huawei products. She may also seek for information from her family members, friends' opinion, or recommendation as her personal reference in order to know more about the product in details. She can also do some research on the internet, which is a public sources, to know which one is the best smartphone for her.
So, why I like this phone? During the meeting, so this is my boss. Sometimes I don't know what he is explaining in front because I always late to work. I have to sit so far from the screen. Then I cannot see clearly on the screen. Then I use my phone since it can zoom very clearly.
I was feeling very tired. Of course, I will want to watch entertainment first while chilling. The good thing about this phone is even when I use my phone a lot during the day, the battery life still lasts long. So I don't need to worry to charge again, save my time and energy, you know? Since this phone got big storage, right? I can always save the Word documents when I cannot finish it at office. So I can continue to do the work at home. While doing my work, this phone can really help me to enjoy entertainment while using the multitasking feature.
This is where the consumer evaluates the search alternatives. Generally, the information search reveals multiple products for the consumer to evaluate and understand which product would be appropriate. In this case, after doing a research on smartphones, Vivian has finalized 3 options, which are the Huawei Mate 20 Pro, iPhone XS, and Samsung S9. So, she would refer to Hon, who is a salesman for Huawei smartphones and have well knowledge for the other smartphone brands. This is for a better understanding about Huawei Mate 20 Pro and why is it still the best smartphone for her compared to other sub-brands from other brands competitors. The sub-brands that we have chosen for brand competitors is iPhone XS and Samsung S9. The table above shows the simplified information from each of the smartphone sub-brands, such as price as well as other important features of the smartphones mentioned earlier. From this table, it can be seen about Huawei is better in most aspects compared to other brands.